Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by boiling 200 g dry pasta in 4 liters of salted water. Bring the water to a rolling boil so the pasta cooks evenly. Follow package time, but cook 8–10 minutes for al dente texture, testing at 8 minutes. Before draining, scoop and reserve 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water to adjust sauce later. Drain pasta immediately and toss with 1 teaspoon olive oil to prevent sticking while you prepare the white sauce base on the stove. To make a smooth white sauce, melt 2 tablespoons butter in a saucepan over medium heat until foaming but not browned. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and whisk constantly for 1 to 2 minutes to cook the raw flour taste without browning. Slowly pour in 1/2 cups milk while whisking to avoid lumps. Bring to a gentle simmer until it thickens to coat the back of a spoon, about 3 to 5 minutes. Finish with a pinch of salt and 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg for a classic bechamel aroma and balance. Add the drained pasta directly into the saucepan with the bechamel and gently toss to coat each strand or piece. If the sauce seems thick, add the reserved 1/2 cup pasta water a little at a time until the desired silkiness is reached. Stir in 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese until melted, then taste and adjust with 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper and more salt if necessary. For a baked variation, transfer 200 g coated pasta to a dish. Top with extra cheese and bake at 180 degrees C for 10–12 minutes until golden and bubbling, then serve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.